Hello friends, I am Mayuri from VTeach Academy, and today I am going to teach you about equality of matrices. So let's consider two matrices. Now, how shall we compare these two matrices whether they are equal or not? So we can compare this by comparing their corresponding elements. By comparing the first element in the matrix E, which is in the first row in the first column, with the same element in the next matrix. So the elements are paired in this way are called as corresponding elements of two matrices. And here we can see that the corresponding element, which is A11, is equal to B11, and these elements are equal. So that implies we can say that the matrices A and B are equal, and these both matrices are equal if and only if Aij is equal to Bij, where I represents the rows and J represents the columns. So for the matrix E, we have the rows 1, 2, whereas we have the columns as 1, 2, 3. And make a note of the condition that matrices A and B are said to be equal if and only if A and B are of the same order. And here the order of matrix A is 2 by 3, whereas the order of B is also equal to 2 by 3. And the next condition is their corresponding elements must be equal. And now let us consider two more matrices, say C and D, and now let us compare them. So for comparing, let us check whether it satisfies the first condition. So the order of matrix C is 2 by 2, whereas the order of matrix D is also equal to 2 by 2. So the first condition is satisfied. And then coming to the next condition, let us check with corresponding elements. So here the first corresponding elements are 1, 1, and they are equal. And then coming to the next element, which is 2 over here, and here we have 3. So these are not equal. So we can see that the matrices C and D are not equal, and it is represented by C not equal to D. So in this way, we can compare two matrices. Hope you understood the concept. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.